Hey everyone, it's Miss Bryn, and this is our first week of online learning. So today I'm going to do a reader's workshop mini lesson for you, and I hope that everyone has seen their books on Epic. I gave everyone books to read, I assigned it to you. So when you log on to Epic, you should be able to see what books are yours, and then I can see if you read your books or not. So I'll be changing up the books just like I would in our classroom for Reader's Workshop when I switch out the books. So right now, everybody should have like 3 or more books that they can practice with. All right. So today for Reader's Workshop, your job is to use words that you do know to read words that are a little bit trickier. I know that everybody in our class can read this word. When I snap, I want you to say the word. You could tap it out right now. And when I snap, you're going to wait for my snap. You'll read the word. Okay. Ready, set. Okay. So you should have read this word, car. Take a look at AR. Y'all know that AR says R. So if you tap out this word, it's R, car. Okay. So the next word, it's a really tricky word. It's really long, but it has a R in it, okay? So if you can read car, you can probably figure out this really long word. So I want you to take a look at this really long word and look at its parts. There's different parts in this word, and it has a R, just like car. So if you can read car, I want you to try to read this word. I'm going to highlight the sounds for you. So I'll help you by highlighting the parts. You know this part, SH, ship, sh. Okay, so that's the first part. AR, car, R. So far we have sh, R, p, sharp. Okay, when I snap, I want you to try to say the word that you think this word is. Ready? Kiss your brain if you read it like sharpen. This is the word sharpen. So when you're reading your books today, if you can read a word like car, I want you to try to read those really tricky words in your books, okay? We're going to do 2 more examples, and then we'll read a book together. Okay, everybody tap out this word. I'll tap it out with you. Ready, go. Back. Back. If you can read the word back, which all of you can, I know you can, then you should be able to read this longer word that maybe you don't think you can read. Let's try to tap this word out together. Ready? Go. Stack. Stack. If you know back, then you should be able to read stack. Today, when you're reading all by yourself, I want you to find words that you know or sounds that you know inside of big, long words. Okay, last one, then we'll go to our book. We're going to tap out this word together. Here we go. Will. Okay, if you can read will, I want you to try to read this word. So this is an ending. I want you to cover up that ending and just try to read the first part. Remember, if you know will, you can read this word. Cover up the ending. Try to read the first part. Everybody should have tapped out the first part by now. Now, ing. I think you all know that ing, ring, ing. So this long word ends in ing. If you know will, then you should be able to read thrilling. Thrilling. That's a long word. Okay, now I'm going to show you a book. We're going to look at a book together, and we're going to practice. Okay, so we just practiced using words that we do know to read longer and harder words. I have this story pulled up on my screen, so take a look at it. It is called Bonk the Healthy Monster. And we're going to look at the words here. When we start reading Bonk the Healthy Monster, this says A, and then this is a word that I don't know. but can anyone find a word that they do know inside that word? I'll give you a hint. When I snap, I want you to read the word that I highlighted. You should have said and. This is the sight word and that everybody knows. Okay, so now we can use the word and to figure out this word. I'm going to use picture power, and I'm going to use the word and to read this hard word. And candy. I'm looking at the picture. I see that there's candy. I know that this is the word and, so it helped me figure out that this is the word candy. A candy. This word, I don't know. There's a word in here that y'all should be able to read. It's a sight word. When I snap, read that word. Or. Okay, so a candy or. Let's try to figure out this word. Or. Store. A candy store has just opened. Okay, so right there we use the word or, and we found the word and it helped us read these tricky words. That's what you're going to do when you are reading your books on Epic today. We're going to do one more page. I'm going to jump down here. Okay, I'm going to read this sentence. The weeks pass by with more trips to the candy store. Soon, Bonk can't ride his bike as fast as he did before. I'm stuck on this word. If you can find a word that you know in this really long word here, you'll be able to read it because it has two parts. So if you know this sight word, you can say it right now. And then you know that this ending right here, ing, I-N-G, ring, ing. So this is the word jump, ing, jumping. Jumping rope is, I don't know this word, but I know that AR says R. Ard. Jumping rope is hard work. Jumping rope is hard work too. Okay, so we just use sounds that we knew to read hard words in our books. You guys can send me pictures, your parents can send me pictures, or you can text me words that you read that were really hard in your books on Epic today. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Call me or text me if you have any questions.